Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show the fenugreek and mustard sauce for pasta or for naan or bread. Even you can use for as a pachadi for the rice. So these microgreens are the first two leaves which come from the seeds are called the microgreens, and they have more nutrition value than you get from the seeds. Look here, you can see nice two leaves, right? This is called the microgreens, and they have nice chlorophyll. So what I do is, like, I heated the pan with oil, and I want to dump these leaves into that oil. So, and don't worry, you won't miss that nutrition if you put in the oil. Instead, your digestive system will work really good. Heated food has nice digestive system. I mean, the heated food, when you eat, you will have the digestion in a proper way. It's not like I'm not over frying or overcooking. I'm just putting in the heated oil for max for 2 minutes. I'm stirring that in that oil. I switch off the flame. So just I'm stirring in that heated pan. So I'm utilizing that heat of oil and the pan heat for these leaves to cook. In Ayurveda, we believe that heating the food is really good for your health to increase your digestion. So I'm just stirring nicely. In this video, I forgot to show adding salt. You can add the salt at this minute and stir well. So it oozes this water out, and that water is helpful for while doing the paste. Now what I do is, like, I feel like they are nicely cooked, they're half cooked, I'm fine. Now I'll add some of the spices into this half cooked microgreens. So I'm using maybe 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. This is the homemade one. And 2 tablespoons of cumin and fenugreek, which I did already at home. So I'm using the cumin and the fenugreek. This the cumin and fenugreek is like 2:1 ratio. So I mix it well. Now let me add the garlic paste. Garlic will give nice flavor, and it has nice antibacterial agent, so it's really good. In Indian dishes, we usually use more garlic. Now nicely stir well. Don't worry, I switched off the flame long time back only. Now I'm using sesame seeds paste with extra virgin olive oil. So what I did is, like, I just fried the sesame seeds and make a paste, adding some extra virgin olive oil. So this gives nice protein and flavor. I'm adding more chilies, the red chilies, the dried red chilies. So in the oil, I just heated them. So it pops up nicely. Then that means that they are ready for the sauce to make it paste. So meanwhile, keep some oil, put the stove on, and heat the oil. This is for the tempering. Tempering gives more flavor for the food. You get nice aroma, and even the tempering really helpful for your digestive system. Oil is really good for our health. It's not good if you eat the fried onions, I mean like fried food. The tampering and using oil in the food will help your food to get digest. So now I'm using some of the mustard seeds first in the heated oil, then the cumin seeds, then the black gram, we call as urad dal. I switched off the flame. Now I use some of the curry leaves and just leave for some time. And that's all. Dump the paste into the oil and stir well nicely. I switched off the flame and shifted to the bowl. Look at here. This is really good for the naan or the bread or for the pasta sauce, and it's good for like a pachadi or even for any vegetable sauce. So I fried some of the tindura. So you can use even the potatoes or lady's finger, whatever the veggies you want to fry. So these veggies are air fried using some salt. So I'm just adding them. Mix it well and have for maybe as a sauce or for pachadi with the rice or anything. Enjoy the food. See you later. Thank you. If you like my videos, subscribe and yeah, thanks a lot. See you. Enjoy the food.